Hi, I'm Caroline, and I'm going to show you a few ways to build a dynamic presentation using mmhmm. You can easily drag in existing PowerPoint or Keynote files or create a presentation from scratch. Let me show you how. To import an existing PowerPoint or Keynote presentation, you have two options. Click Upload File and browse your computer, or simply drag and drop the file into mmhmm directly. Once added, you'll see all of your slides populate in the slide tray, and with each slide, you can customize the look and feel. All of the settings are saved to each slide, so when you advance to the next, everything is exactly where you want it to be. To build a presentation from scratch, you can just start adding content directly to the slide tray at the bottom. First, click Add New Presentation, give it a name, and then you're going to click Add Slide on the left. We offer many options for your slide layout, so once you decide, just click on that layout. From there, you could add almost any type of content to your slides. Just head to the toolbar up top and choose from screen share, upload media, text slide, or even add GIFs. The visual options are limitless. Let's build our first two slides together. First thing you want to do is head over to the Add Slide button down at the bottom left. And once you click on it, you'll see some pre-made slide templates that we have here in mmhmm. These are a great way to help you get started, especially if you're new, and each one is customizable. But for our purposes today, I'm going to go ahead and click the blank slide template. And you will see it's popped up down there in my slide tray. So we're going to build our slides from scratch. So I want to go ahead and change my background first thing. So I'm going to go over here to the right in the Appearance tab, and I'm going to click on this custom background that I've created that has our company's logo on it. Yes, much better. Now I'm going to go ahead and give my slide a title. So I'm going to click the text box up above. I'm going to highlight it and delete and give this slide a title. Marketing update looks great. And let's see, I want to change the way that looks a little bit, make it longer, and click it over here to the left. It's a little hard to see, so I'm going to highlight that there and then go over here to the right. And I'm going to change the theme of my text slide. So instead billboard, I'm going to do modern. And then I'm going to change the color. And I'm going to give it a white background with black writing. Now you can see it. We'll crop it here just a little bit. Voila, perfect. And now for fun, let's add a Giphy. So I'm going to go up top to Giphy. And I love this one. Gonna go ahead and add this one. Whoa, way too big. We'll bring it down a little bit and position it right here. Voila. For our second slide, let's add a screen share. I'm gonna go back to the toolbar up top, click screen share, find the screen I would like to share. Here we go. And I would like to crop it so I can get rid of that navigation bar and then make it full screen. But now I'm in the way. So let's go over here to the right and change our presenter settings to circle frame. I'm going to highlight myself, make myself a little smaller, and move myself right over here into the corner. Voila, looks pretty good. So now if I navigate back to slide 1, all of my settings have remained the same, and then I navigate to slide 2, and they have all changed. So you just keep adding content, keep adding slides in this way until your presentation is complete. And here's a pro tip. If you would like each slide to have the same layout, simply click on the menu on the slide and hit Apply Settings to all slides. To access some of your amazing presentations, go down to the bottom left, click Presentations, and you can choose one to edit at any time. Once your presentation is built, you can create a recording or present it live using your favorite video conferencing tool. To learn how to record and connect mmhmm to a video conferencing tool, check out the other Learn videos linked in the description below. I hope this video helped you learn how to create a dynamic presentation using mmhmm. For more content like this, please check out the other videos in our Learn library. Happy creating and thanks for watching!